Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle for today, a tectonic, aka a jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. In today's newspaper of Saturday, in the puzzle page of Saturday, November the 18th, 2023, and I've already solved three puzzles. The Sudoku with 3 stars, the Sudoku with the killer Sudoku, and the binary puzzle. So it's time now for the tectonic number. This will be number 7472. 7472. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This puzzle has twice as much. Yes. Yeah. So I think it's a 1-star puzzle, and for 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see if this is a 1-star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. Always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Here another dual box, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. We have only one triple box. Well, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, next question. Quadra box. I see here a quadra box. Here another quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Same for here. Well, now, my next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. Whatever you name it. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Here another one. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Okay. More? Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Only one of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes, surround 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. That means that this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Well, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can also not be a 1. We have a double 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left with a 1 in this quadra box should be there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area from us, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then these two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left with a 1 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left with a 1 in this area should be here. These two boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left with a 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 2 goes there. Alright, and now, okay, let me see, well, these 3 boxes, surround the 5 can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 4 goes there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. And then 2 numbers left in this area from us 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5. Then 2 numbers left in this area from us 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in, a 4 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be in, a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from us 2 and 4. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be in, a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this cross area for us 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be here. This box can be 3, this box can be 1, so the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there, so 1 digit left. In this quadra box for number 4. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes and there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, let me mark those. 2 and 4 is connected with that box, so 2 and 4. And then these 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So the other pair in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then let me see. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. 2 or a 4. We have a 2 now, so this can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be a 4. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 2. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for us 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5. Then this box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here, and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5. So one box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here. 1 and the 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1. And the 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 and the 1, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and the 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Okay, 3 and the 5, cannot fill this yet. How about this box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 anymore. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 1. 3 and the 1, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Told you, cannot be a 4 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars. I think it's 0 stars, because I'm faster than 14 and 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and yeah, we will meet again in the we will meet again tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, Sunday. I will solve this puzzle page, the rest of the puzzles, and also the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition, and of course in the evening the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Saturday.